Welcome. Join us as we make soft, delicious parathas from premium wheat and fresh potatoes. Make sure the inventory count on the flour sacks matches the manifest before moving to aisle 4.
Confirmed. Moving the pallet now. The starch content on the russets looks good, 15.2%.
And the gluten elasticity is within range. We can approve the batch.
All parameters are within specification for the Aloo Paratha run.
Agreed. I'll approve batch 7A now. The internal temperature reading is perfect.
Yes, and the analyzer shows optimal consistency for the Aloo Paratha filling.
Viscosity is steady at 2.5.
Let's increase the cumin ratio by 0.05% for the next batch.
Confirmed. Texture and moisture are optimal. The paprika is hitting just right. Confirmed.
Hey.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Look at the fluctuation on the curry concentration. We're losing consistency.
Adjusting the flow parameters now. It's stabilizing.
We need more water to reach the target consistency.
Adjusting the flow rate now, and I'll extend the kneading time slightly.
Perfect. The data looks stable.
The moisture content is stable at 35%.
Good. Let's check the elasticity on this batch.
See the temperature reading here, it's holding steady at 25 degrees.
Perfect. The humidity levels look good too.
Yep, dear. The weight deviation on the third extruder is still too high.
I agree. Let's increase the volumetric setting by 5% and monitor.
The weight is exactly 500 grams.
And the texture is smooth. Diameter is consistent. Noted. The thickness here is exactly 2 millimeters.
Good. The consistency looks perfect.
A slight issue with the seal here.
I've corrected it. Quality standard met.
Check the diameter on this one. Yeah.
Looks good, right within the tolerance level.
the heat distribution is much better now. Agreed. The new speed setting is optimizing the cook time perfectly.
Let's try slowing the conveyor slightly more.
Okay, adjusting speed now. Look at that uniformity, much better. I'll log it.
Check the seal on this package, B.
Looks like a small crimp near the corner. We should reject this lot.
This batch looks good, very uniform. Approved route for packaging.
This amber flag on batch 7889B needs immediate verification.
The temperature logs indicate a sensor error, not a deviation.
I concur. The data stream is stable.
We need this shipment routed to the Dubai ports by 1600 hours.
Confirmed. Loading the next pallet now.
Thanks for watching. We're proud to bring you fresh, soft parathas made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.